Hello everyone, I am going to dictate you steno legal matter. Be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
The respondents, defendants number 1, 2, 3, and 5 contested the suit by filing written statement dated 25th May 2011 on the grounds that it was the mother of the parties and not the father who was the owner of the said property, that the mother had left behind her last will and testament dated 8th December 1988, bequeathing the said property to the respondents, defendants number 1, 2, 3, and the predecessor in interest of the respondents, defendants number 5 to 6, only that the respondents, defendants number 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6 had got the suit property mutated in their names in the records of the Municipal Corporation of Delhi White letter and mutation dated 20th November 1991, that this mutation was in the knowledge of the appellant plaintiff, that the respondents, defendants number 1, 2, 3, and predecessor in interest of respondents, defendants number 5 and 6 also applied to the Delhi Development Authority, being the lesser of the land underneath the property, for mutation in their names on the basis of the will aforesaid, that DDA required recording of the statements of all the legal heirs including the appellant plaintiff, that the appellant plaintiff appeared before the assistant collector DDA and made a statement admitting the ownership of the mother as well as the genuineness and authenticity of the will, and respondents, defendants number 1, 2, 3, and predecessor in interest of respondents, defendants number 5 and 6 having become the owners of the property thereunder, that on the basis of the aforesaid statements and the will, the DDA mutated the property in the names of the respondents, defendants number 1, 2, 3, and predecessor in interest of respondents, defendants number 5 and 6 on 1st March 1996, that the property to the knowledge of the appellant plaintiff had since then been standing in the ownership of the said respondents, defendants for 15 years prior to the institution of the said, without any objection whatsoever of the appellant plaintiff, that the appellant plaintiff had turned dishonest after 20 years of the death of the mother stock. The appellant plaintiff, within days of filing of the written statement aforesaid, filed IA number 8823 of 2011, the amendment of the plaint inter alia, pleading that she is the youngest sibling, that soon after marriage she had settled abroad, though had retained physical possession of one room on the ground floor and one room on the first floor of the property where her belongings remained. Stop. Over.